Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create a Plex account step by step using your mobile device. If you want to get started and create a new account on Plex, first of all make sure that you've downloaded the Plex application on your smartphone. You can also visit the Plex.tv website on a web browser and follow through the sign up process there as well. In today's video we are doing this on our smartphone. Download and open up the Plex application on your device and you'll be welcomed with this page. To create a new account, click on Sign Up. Click the Continue button and it'll take you to Plex.tv website where you can easily sign up or log into your existing account. Now, to log into your existing account, go ahead and select the login method. You can choose the Google sign-in method, Apple option, or choose to enter an email address. I'm just gonna create a new account by choosing the email address option, so let me go ahead and type down a valid email address. After typing down your email address, go to the Create Password field and create a password for your account's security. Make sure to create a strong password, including the criteria under password requirements. Finally, after doing so, click on Create an Account, and there you have successfully registered for a new Plex account. You can now go ahead and explore the apps. You can install Plex on your mobile phone, smart TV, streaming devices, etc. and sign in with your new account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.